Ladies and gentlemen,
I stay swaggin', I stay swaggin'. If you fuck with me, well you must be asking. To get me, to get work. Can you motherfuckers put you niggas under dirt? I stay swaggin', I stay swaggin'. If you fuck with me, well you must be asking. To get me, to get work. Can you motherfuckers put you niggas under dirt?
Man, that's the name. I was raised in the game. Can't cool in the rain, cause I'm bustin' with flames. I'm a credible rapper, I think it be the gift. Man, them niggas level low, so I give it a lift. Okay, you perfectly in love with this thing called hip-hop. And even if you shoot me, my soul won't stop. Okay, you wanna rap battle, you ain't getting enough help. I'm hotter than the sun, get touch when they melt. For watching my tees, and if you fuck with a breed, then you fucking with cheese.
Yeah. Check it. I study you animals. Call it a zoology. I study them bitches. Man, call it anthropology. Anthropology, my home. Stay off my fucking property. And once I reach home, it ain't no more stopping. Jump up on the beat. Not a beat, that's no apology. I'll tell you niggas stories. Call it up a rap. I get money. Money. Bitch, I stay high so you niggas can't reach me. Yeah, I stay high so you niggas can't reach me. I might go to church, the pastor start to preach me. Yeah, I am JB. The kid JB, never been BG. I stay swaggin', I stay swaggin'. If you fuck with me, well you must be asking. To get me, to get work. Can you motherfuckers put you niggas under dirt? I stay swaggin', I stay swaggin'. If you fuck with me, well you must be asking. To get me, to get work. Can you motherfuckers put you niggas under dirt?
Yeah, motherfucker, you don't wanna see me up in your whole house, seeing your family. And why you gotta fuck with my nigga JP? Cause I'm a type of nigga, money talk for me. I stay swaggin', yes, that's my company. If you looking for me, nigga, I'm in Blood City. When I step up in the club, everybody know it's me. I'm the king over here, bitch, pass me the crown. Every time I hit the club, man, I fucking shut it down. Little VP and you know, yes, we stayed with the 9. If a nigga wanna trip his pussy ass going down, it's little VPS, yes, I be doing down. Get a drive-by on you niggas, click, clack, and pow. Where the niggas at? Them niggas pow, wow. Pussy motherfuckers, I ain't got time to waste. It's your boy, Little VPS, you know I done ate it, pow. I'm out.